Here, I will show you how to minimize your YouTube in your Samsung Galaxy A16. Go to your YouTube app and just play the video that you want to minimize. Now, open Recent from the YouTube app. And once the YouTube app here selected, just tap and hold this YouTube logo. And here you have to select this pop-up view. So don't remove your finger from your display. Just add this YouTube logo in this pop-up view section. And the video will be add just like this. Now you can go ahead and use any other app at the same time. You can watch the specific YouTube video in Minimize or pop-up view section. And to close the YouTube video from pop-up, again open Recents and close app. Thanks for watching.